There actually is a chance that underwear could be in here. Let's find out! Hey! Yeah! Hello and stuff. I don't know what stuff would go with hello, but we're gonna pretend that something does go with hello. Yep, hope everyone's doing well. Starting to get everything situated here at my house in Philly. Not really a house, it's an apartment. It's a loft-style apartment. That's why there is echo, and I just found out what air quotes are. I used that joke in a previous video, so that just proves that I'm unoriginal. Anyways, sorry about the last video, the beater box. There was a lot of autofocus going on and some sound issues, so it's a new camera. I'm still learning. Them's just the breaks right now, guys. So I appreciate it. Subscribers, hello, welcome back. Thank you so much for the support. If you're not a subscriber, I hope you watch this video and decide, hey, I might want to be a subscriber to this moron, or hey, this guy's corny and stupid, and why did I just waste 5.5 minutes of my life? I'm not sure if this video is going to be 5.5 minutes. We're just spitballing here. It's pretty gross. But it's me, SB Mitch, the overrated old man of ShoeTube. Thank you, Stone Cold Kicks, for letting me use that probably copywritten word. Again, unoriginal. What is going on today? Today, Soul Steel's Hype Box. What is a Soul Steel's Hype Box? Well, it's a box of hype that you get from Soul Steel's. Yep. Now, Soul Steel's is a monthly membership website through Soul Supremacy, but it's run by a guy. It's actually run by the one man who can save us all from Thanos. His name is Scott. Shout out, Scott. It costs 20 bucks. It gives you access to sneakers below market, hype items below market, and these hype boxes. Sometimes beater boxes too, but more importantly, the hype boxes. But the hype boxes are broken down into 4 categories. There's bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. This one is a bronze tier, so that means it was $250 plus $20 shipping for a grand total of $270. Let's jump into this $250 hype box. You guys can see from the box, it's not too big.
That's what she said.
There's probably like a shirt, some accessories, and a shoe in here. I have a feeling, because it's a low value hype box, there's probably going to be a pair of power phases in here. It's a really hard sentence to say. But let's just find out anyway, so. No, that would be pretty cool. Okay, there's no shoes in here. That's kind of interesting. But let's find out what's going on in here. So there is something from Supreme. It's a size large. Some kind of shirt. Looks like it might be a ringer tee based on what's going on around here. That's actually embroidered on there. That's kind of nice. Don't know what this is worth. It's a Supreme shirt, so my guess would be somewhere between like 60 and 90 bucks. But I'm guessing because I'm not the greatest with Supreme stuff. So there's that. What's after that? This is another Supreme shirt, size large. It's got some reptilian and amphibious friends on here. There's a turtle. I think it's a dodo bird maybe. I don't really know. And some kind of frog. So it's red, it's large, unworn obviously, but it doesn't have like a packaging. So if you guys are interested in any of this stuff, it's going to be on my website eventually, so that's cool. But there is also one more thing in here. It's a Bape t-shirt. Bathing Ape t-shirts go for a pretty good amount of money. Let's see what this one is. Unworn, it is just a white shark t-shirt. What's on the back here? On the back it says Poner, whatever that is. A Bape t-shirt that has this on the back of it. And the shark guy on the front. That's large too, so there it is. A $250 Soul Steel's hype box with, let's see what's in here one more time. We had a large Supreme white t-shirt with an embroidered logo on it. A red Supreme t-shirt, I think it's from this year, with some Beach Pals on it. And a Poner Bape t-shirt that I know nothing about. So your guess is as good as mine, but I'm gonna research this and let you know how much I could possibly make off of this box in the breakdown. So, I mean, you guys see it. I don't really know what it is yet because I haven't done anything yet, but These $250 boxes, they don't really seem to make you much money, but they're the lowest price point, and it's a really good opportunity to get some stuff to add to your collection for mega cheap. So that's pretty cool. So soulsteals.com, check them out. Pretty cool stuff. These things sell out on Sundays really fast, so you got to be quick with your mice. If you have more than one mouse, you have mice. Who has more than one mouse on their computer? What am I talking about? Anyways, guys, all this stuff, along with a whole bunch of other things, will be on my website, ransomnotesneakers.com, or the shortened version of it, rnsmnotes.com. You can check that out. There's a huge sale going on right now. I'm not really trying to move stuff. I just said, hey, I moved, and why not give people some deals on some stuff? So check that out. If you have any questions about any of this stuff, hit me down below. Also, the next video will be a haul series, so I need your questions. I'm gonna take 3 questions from you folks. Ask me anything down below. I will select 3 of them and answer them in the next haul video. They can be about whatever. They could be about basketball. They could be about sneakers. They could be about my left foot. I don't really care. You can ask me anything and I will answer it, as long as it's appropriate and as long as it's, you know, something that's fun to answer. So go wild down below in the comments. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. I like interacting with you guys, so take the time to do that, and I will take the time to say hello! So until next time, take care of yourself, take care of each other. Remember, they're just shoes. If you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because it's the easiest way to be happy. Stay tuned for a haul series. It's coming up in a couple days, but we'll see you later. Bye-bye!